Applying for the Parental Refundable Credit is easy and convenient on MyDORWAY. To get started, log into your MyDORWAY account. From the Accounts tab, click the More Account Options link in the Individual Income Tax panel. Click the Apply for a Parental Refundable Credit link. To begin, check the box if you meet both criteria listed. Once you're finished, click Next. Enter your household income range using the drop-down menu. Click the checkbox if you meet the criteria listed. Enter the total estimated annual cost when the additional expense line appears. Once you're finished, click Next. Enter the number of children that reside in your household in the first field. Enter the number of children that are exceptional needs children in the second field. Click Next when you're finished. Enter the qualifying student's information on the next page. Scroll down and click either Yes or No to each credit eligibility question. If you answered no to any of the questions, stop. You do not qualify for the Parental Refundable Credit. Click Next once you've answered all questions. Enter the schools that your child attended along with the corresponding attendance periods and the name of the school. Click Next once you're finished. Enter the total cost of the qualifying student's tuition in the provided fields. If you meet the criteria listed, click the checkbox and fill out the amount of tuition deductions you received in the line that appears. Click Next once you're finished. Fill out the credit amount section. Click the checkbox if you meet the criteria listed. Enter the grant amount awarded when the line appears. Once you're finished, click Next. Review the summary page to make sure everything is correct. Once you're finished, click Next. Enter your password, which will act as your electronic signature. Click Submit to submit your electronic Parental Refundable Credit application. The confirmation screen has your confirmation number. Print or write down your confirmation number for your records so you can track this transaction in the future. This is not a Parental Refundable Credit approval notice. The SCDOR will issue a Parental Refundable Credit approval notice if you are tentatively approved for the credit. Once you're finished, click OK. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Thank you for watching.